Look at your hands. Are they holding a phone or are they building a legacy? Most people will walk into 2026 the same way they left 2025. Distracted, average, and tired. But if you're done being most people, you have to do what nobody else is doing. To become unrecognizable this year, you must master these 7 high-value hobbies. First, strategic combat like jiu-jitsu to build a warrior's discipline. Second, deep work reading to download decades of wisdom into your brain. Third, building digital real estate like content creation or coding. Because if you don't own a piece of the internet, you're just a tenant. Fourth, public speaking to turn your voice into your greatest asset. Fifth, radical silence to master your mind without the noise of a screen. Sixth, high-performance nutrition because a Ferrari doesn't run on cheap gas. And finally, financial investing to buy back your freedom. 2026 is going to pass anyway, so you can either watch others live their dreams or start building yours today. Pick one, get to work, and if you're ready to join the top 1%, stay committed and never look back.